In this lesson, I will introduce the fourth method, newScheduledThreadPool. We call the factory method newScheduledThreadPool. We pass a fixed size of 2 threads to the pool. There are 3 ways to schedule tasks. Schedule at fixed straight. Schedule with fixed delay. This one runs only once. After the thread pool is created, it waits for 2 seconds. Then it executes the task once and stops. Here, take a look. 3 parameters, runnable. Then the delay value. The time unit is seconds. You can choose other units as well. Now the second method. Execute tasks periodically. Let's put it in and see. 4 parameters. Initial delay is 1 second. Then the fixed period. And the time unit. Let me explain this. When the thread starts, it waits 1 second initially. After that, every 3 seconds, the next task is executed, regardless of whether the previous task has finished. For example, every 3 seconds, one task is triggered. At 6 seconds, another task runs. It does not wait for the previous task to complete. Now for this one, this is fixed delay. Let's continue with this example. 4 parameters, initial delay. Here the initial delay is set to 0 seconds, and the fixed delay is 2 seconds. Now let me explain. At startup, the thread is created and starts immediately with no delay. Then it executes the task. Assume this task takes 5 seconds to run. After 5 seconds, the task completes. Then it waits an additional 2 seconds, making it 7 seconds total. Only after 7 seconds. Does the next task run? It waits for the previous task to complete. Then it runs the next one. That is the key difference between these 2 methods. Please note this, the method above, because it runs strictly every 3 seconds, does not wait for the previous task to complete. If there are too many tasks, this can lead to an out-of-memory risk. The method below has a lower risk of memory overflow, but it runs more slowly. We let it sleep for 15 seconds. Check the result, then shut it down. Let's run it. Here, it runs for about 15 seconds. Here, you can see the delay. The one-time delay runs only once. Then it stops. Then the scheduled tasks execute, so it runs exactly according to the rules explained earlier. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.